morning, everyone. This is Zach Harris here from Financial Trading School Profits for Wealth, and today we're going to be talking about some live trading. And today, first of all, before I go further, today is the 19th of April, 9:35. It's still early in the morning. Well, markets open at 8 o'clock. My morning was opened at 6 o'clock. That's what the time when I woke up. So guys, at the moment we are up in around £5,400 sterling. Now I'm gonna actually open that trade and I'm gonna show you exactly when did I place trade and when I'm looking to get out of this trade. Okay there, so we have a chart open there guys, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna show you exactly when did I place these trades. I have placed a trade. My first trade I placed, that was on 8:39, 22nd of February. So as you can see here, it's nearly 2 months ago I placed a trade, but unfortunately, as you can see here, that trade turned against me. I placed that trade over there, but I thought there was a fairly strong a resistance level there. As you can see here, if I were to actually show you the resistance level there, I have drawn this line 7,200, and market took a turn, dropped down there. That was in around, let me show you the date, was 16th of January when market took a turn and rose back up. And then after that we had a really strong resistance when market were trying to break through that point, but it couldn't, and that's where I placed the trade. I was in profit for 2 days, but then market took a turn against me and then rose back up. A lot of people actually would say I shouldn't have got now when it created a false resistance, but I knew markets were all-time high, especially this year. The market are sitting on the correction. Market hasn't given us any correction whatsoever in over 12 months time. So I still believe the market is sitting on a price correction, and the market should actually drop a little bit further, and that's one of the main reasons. Fundamentally, I knew that it would actually happen, but then secondly, then I was waiting also technically, like if I were to actually put fundamentals on the side, technically I was waiting on market to take a turn. Now that you know that market has taken a turn, I added another size here on 21st. So the trade I placed in the February, which is 22nd of February, I'm up on that trade £1,730. I'm gonna actually close in a couple of minutes, but then after that market took a turn. As you can see here, these bars are all inside bars. Okay, after making a new resistance, I knew that these bars wouldn't take a turn and change the trend of the market. But however, this bar, we had a really strong bar and we had really good closing, strong reversal bar, and then I entered that trade on 21st of March. Exactly the month later I placed a trade, and on that trade we are up £3,700. So it's a one trade, it's not a day trading, it's a wave strategy. Wave strategy is some kind of a strategy that you will place your trade and let it run for about a month or maybe up to 2 months in some occasions. So basically, and I knew that after that we had a really strong resistance level. If the market had broken up that level the second time, I would have closed both trades and I would have taken a hit off in around 5 or 6%, roughly in around that. But now the market has taken a turn. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but as long as you're winning more than you're losing, then you're basically doing pretty good in the market, and as long as you stay disciplined as well. As you can see here, I genuinely believe I'm gonna draw another line, which would be our trend line. So over here we had the range, and now it's after taking a turn. So if I were to actually draw a line here when market took a turn from there, and the reason I'm stopping here because I'm going to draw another line which would be our support level or the range. Okay, because this was the previous support, previous resistance that became our support, but unfortunately or fortunately, a previous resistance, this line has been broken yesterday, and now we are actually in profit, but that previous line is broken. So next support we have, it's on 6,969. I genuinely believe the market could drop up to that level and bounce back, but however, you never know. You can never ensure that market will. There's no such thing as a guarantee when it comes to financial markets. So I reckon if it is actually taking a turn, it could simply go back up in a few days and then bounce from here and drop back down. This is our trend line. We have got a range there. Also, we've got a trend line. So we've got the upper range where, you know, the upper range is broken. So previous resistance, now it's well, it was previous resistance was support, but now this is our new resistance. That means the market could actually go up there and then bounce from that resistance and drop back down. When are we looking to get out? Okay, first of all, this trade, because we placed it at the price of, we opened that trade at a price of 7,201. So I'm actually going to close that trade. We are up £1,800. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna roll over. I'm just gonna close this, sell it. So we just banked £1,800, and now we are up 347. So I reckon that it could easily actually go back up here and then drop from there down here, and once it does that, we will actually bank all the profit, and that is the plan. Okay, so this is, at the moment I'm up £3,762. As you can see, the pound sign, we just banked £1,800, and that's pretty much it. That's what I'm planning to do with my trading. So if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to drop a comment onto the comment box. Also, if you like to learn how to actually achieve these sort of profits, simply email us and we will be more than happy to assist you. So have a great day, and if you have any questions, feel free to give me an email. Okay, thanks very much. Bye bye.